Are your TikTok reposts cluttering your profile? Want to clean things up quickly? Today I will show you how to delete all your reports on TikTok at once in just few simple steps. Open TikTok. Start by launching the TikTok app on your device. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, look for the three lines or dots in the top right corner and tap on it. This will open the settings menu. Scroll down and select settings and privacy. Then navigate to the support and about section and click on report a problem. You'll need to select a relevant topic for your issues. Choose something like videos and sounds, then click on other. Now look for the options that says need more help. Click on it. Here you can type out your request. A simple message like hello TikTok support team. Please help me delete all my pre-posts will do. After you have written your message, hit the submit button. Then TikTok support team will receive your request and typically respond within a few days. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively clean up your TikTok profile and remove those unwanted reposts without having to delete them one by one. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and share with the friends who might need it too. Happy TikToking.